How to create U chart in Excel. This is shorter version, detailed version. Please stay tuned. I will make it. So the first one is that we need to have the U chart is for defect per unit. You need to have two ingredients. One is, let's say, mobile, like whatever the object you wanted to have. For example, I have taken mobile, and flaws. Flaws are rejection, reject, or not that, right? So this you can put it. These two things are required, and after that you can find out the individual percentage. How you can find out the individual percentage is that simply you can put, for example, 47 by this value. You will get to know, for example, first sample has got 9%, and then you can, and then the individual percentage gets calculated. Once it is calculated, and this is very important, and LCL and UCL. Before that, you also need to have U bar. In our case, in this case, the denominator are same, so obviously we can take the average. But generally speaking, you always take sum of clause divided by sum of mobile, meaning reject by how much the overall quantity, right? And then you will get the P bar, sorry, U bar. And from there, using this formula, for example, U bar, that is, you can substitute using this one, 3 into square root of U bar divided by N. This is a standard formula for them. Once it has been created, right? Once it has been applied, you can keep it for rest of the cell, right? The same, because our UCL is going to be 17%, right? And LCL similarly, the only thing is you are going to apply minus here, and you can keep this here also as well, right? So this is how you will get this percentage, I mean the U chart beautifully. For example, 7.64 is the LCL, lower control limit, and the U bar, that is average, is 12.35, and then upper control is that 17% rejection we have. And anything outside it beyond 17%, like 18, 20 and all that, these we call it as outlier, right? So the same thing, like you can have compared the same result using Minitab software, and it gives the exactly the same result. Stay tuned to learn more in detail how to create U chart in Excel. Thank you.